Remove the four 10mm bolts of the CVT air intake. Clean the foam filter.